In today's video, I'll teach you how to delete contact on WhatsApp. First of all, open the WhatsApp application. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to delete the contact, what you have to do is tap on the chat of the contact that you would like to delete. Now after you do that, that particular chat will be opened. What you have to do is tap on their name or phone number that you can see at the top. After you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now over here you can see various options. Tap on this option edit that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to edit the contact. So if you want to delete it, tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on this option delete contact. This kind of pop-up will appear. Tap on this option delete. Now after you do that, you can see over here this particular contact will be deleted from the WhatsApp. So that is how you delete contact on WhatsApp. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.